Hey y'all, I'm coming back with another stimulus check update. If you didn't see the video that I made yesterday, please go back and watch that because it all kind of ties into this one here. To better understand this one, you really need to see the one I made yesterday. Okay, yesterday we talked about one option that they're working on, and today there's another option that they're working on, and we will get one or the other. We won't get both. We'll get one or the other, some form of one or the other. They still have to be hashed out, and they got to play their political games with it. So it's still going to be a little while. But this other option that we have is free rent and free mortgage payments for a year. Now, you're going to say, my landlord's an ass. He's not going to go for that. He has no choice. It's going to be mandated by the federal government. And he will still be getting his rent payments. He just won't be getting them from you. They'll be coming from the federal government. He should like this better because it's guaranteed money every month. As it is with you, if you decide you want to move next month, you could move. And he would be out that rent money. Well, this way, the federal government guarantees him this money every month. So it's a win-win situation. Of course, there's going to be people complaining about it. They always are. No matter what they try to do to help us, you got the naysayers going to complain. But we can either get what we talked about yesterday, or we can get the free rent, free mortgage payments for a year. To me, the free rent and free mortgage payment sounds more feasible. It's a fraction of the cost. For me, I know $1,000 a month would be coming my way for my rent payment. Sure, I'd rather have the $4,000 that we talked about yesterday, but either way is fine with me. It's still money that I didn't have. So I'm not going to kick a gift horse in the mouth. I'm going to just take it and be happy. Whichever way they decide to go, I'll be happy with it. The $4,000 would go a lot further, but paying my rent will really help too. Now, there's going to be people out there that's saying, that's not enough. I need more. I need more. They're always wanting more. But let me tell you something. If you're working, getting a few hours, that money goes with that rent payment. It adds up. If you're not working and you're getting unemployment, that's another $600 a month that you're getting besides your rent being paid. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but we're in tough times right now and everybody has to tighten their belt. I see y'all going to Walmart and getting those 60-inch colored flat screen TVs. You got to stop that. Buying those video games, you got to stop that. During this time, you're safer at home. You shouldn't be out spending all this money anyway. It's meant to pay bills and buy necessities right now. So, tighten your belt. Everybody's got to do it. It's going to be hard, but we'll get through it. The federal government is doing their part by helping us. Well, they're not. You can look at it two different ways. They're either helping us or they're doing what they should be doing because they're the one that created the shutdown. We had the best numbers across every sector of life until this happened. We had the best economy. We had the best unemployment rates. We had the best stock market rates. Everything was through the roof. And in one day, they said, close it down. It killed everything. Now we got to pay for the backlash of this. And it's only right for the federal government to pay for it because they created it. They're doing it in our best interest. I know that. But still, they created it. A complete shutdown was crazy. They shouldn't have done that. They shouldn't have went to that extreme. There's parts of the United States that don't even have coronavirus. So, I think they're doing what they have to do. Can you imagine, just for a minute, if they didn't do anything? That little $1,200 check that they sent you, that was like the circus master throwing peanuts to the circus animals, and we're the circus animals, to pacify us. Because if they didn't do that, people would already be rioting in the streets. They would be tearing down buildings. They would be burning everything. They would be looting all these closed down businesses. People would be going crazy. Now, going forward, just as soon as this $1,200 is gone out of everybody's pockets, they're going to start worrying. So therefore, the federal government has to step in and do something, or else the $1,200 would be for naught. They're going to have the same situation. They created this problem. They have to pay for it. And if they don't pay for it, I'm all for standing up. Stand up against them, because they created this mess. But right now it looks like they're trying to do the best they can. The option that we talked about yesterday, and now this option to pay your rent or your mortgage for a year. And remember, we don't get them both. It's one or the other, and it's a derivative from either one. It's not going to be just cut black and white. It's going to be after they get through playing their political games with it. But anything's a help. Y'all keep your chins up. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be talking money stuff every day this week, and we'll get through this. It's just going to take tightening of the belt, buckling down at home. Y'all just know I love y'all. And until the next video, ciao.